Our third section will cover questions 8 through 10. It says, use the figure for items 8 through 10. 8. Predict whether the quadrilaterals ABCD and BEFG are congruent. 9. How could you test your prediction? 10. Follow your plan to test your prediction and identify the rigid motions you applied. For this section, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to talk this out with your table mate, and then we're going to come back whole group. So go ahead, pause your video, 5 minutes, questions 8 through 10. The answers to questions 8 through 10 have now been provided. Yes, the two quadrilaterals appear to be the same shape and size. It says I would rotate one of the quadrilaterals and then translate the image onto the other. Here in this particular case, I rotated this one right here. I rotated it about the point B, negative 90 degrees. So that means that B would stay where it is. And so we would have, we would have something along these lines where this would be, this would be C, this would be D, and this would be the new A. And then I want to translate so that C now becomes this new B prime. So it shifts onto itself. So then we move it this way. So we rotated and then we shifted. And notice how I said we're going to translate C prime, which is this point, to B. Well, if C prime goes to B, that means that B prime goes to G, D prime goes to E, and A prime goes to F. So they are a series of composition of transformations. And remember that when we write this, we would actually write R about the point B, negative 90 degrees, in parentheses. And then outside and front, we're going to do translate C prime B. And this should be like right next to each other. On to your debriefing question.